This next video series will focus on overlapping sets. Overlapping sets are a fan favorite on the GMAT, and nowhere is that more true, perhaps, than among teachers. Overlapping sets are a prime example of a type of question where almost nobody knows how to do them the first time they see them, but then when they see them for a second time, almost nobody knows not how to do them. Overlapping sets are about as close to plug and chug as you will see on the GMAT, and I would say the one mistake people make regarding overlapping sets is they become too mechanical in their approach to them, and they forfeit some of their ability to think critically. So always remember this: the GMAT is a logic test, not a memorization test. If all you're doing is memorizing steps or memorizing setups, then you'll only ever be able to do what you've done in the past, and the test writers will always be one step ahead of you. So when I set up my overlapping set questions with a matrix, I do not think of it as a magic matrix which is going to spit out the answer for me, although this may be the case sometimes. All it is a way of organizing information. The goal is not to make a matrix. The goal isn't really to organize information either. That is just an intermediate goal. The ultimate goal is to make equations, to translate words into numbers, which I can then do simple algebra on. So if you're at the beginning of your studies and you're looking for that first confidence boost, something you can point to and say, that's definitely something I didn't know before that I can confidently say I know now, then I think you will like overlapping sets.